Hold on.
Don't know which way you're meant to set that down.
That didn't work, man.
You don't stand there.
That banger didn't go off. I let it and it fucking didn't go off.
Shit, hold on.
You do one actually. Give me a video camera
Hold on.
video.
Right.
Shit.
That was brilliant. Oh, rip. Holy shit. Holy shit, Dusty. Oh my god. I don't believe that. That's better than the one that wasn't up here. What's that cost you, Dust? $2. Look at all them lights. Look. What's that? Should have been more than that though. Look, what's that? That's from the Disney World. Robert. Red in the video, on the screen in there.
Oh yeah, that's red now.
That's it now.
Try something from Jim.
Jim Bean.
Real cool.
Stepping up.
No, stop showing off in front of the camera.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Here, it's on.
Here we go. Look, look, look. Another one. Another one.
I will be one to show off in front of the camera.
I was near sick last time. I was near sick.
Big moth then.
Because he was so busy drinking alcohol.
Sonya's got the cold.
Big moth then. Hit it with a bottle.
Where's my...
Oh, go away, Rob.
No.
I hate that. I'm waiting. I'll tell you now, I'm not letting you near any of my electrical equipment. I can have It's sharp. You're going to flip and light up.
You guys well, take yourself.
Must be full up or something.
Mr. Logic.
I don't think so, Mr. Logic Head.
You know, if all else fails.
Oh, Phillip, give up. Wait a second.
That's not the way it smells, son. No.
No, it's not. Come to terms with all of it. You have broken the bloody thing.
Bit of respect.
Is that not the way it smells
What's up?
Did you get the bit where he says?
Snort.
Who knows about hoovers? I don't know how to fix it.
Only women know about hoovers.
Fix it!
All I know that women know. All I know about hoovers is that we all airline tickets. Leave it to the morning. Aye. Everything will seem much.
I'll be alright.
No, it won't. Hey, you're gonna be sued, man.
The motor's gone. Get on the boot. Fucking cars. See? You like a Lego toy? Fucking car and all. Here, better not have me on the suit in the ground. Just hold my bag. It's not singed.
You push me thing up the arm.
Mr. Sneak.
I was like, fuck knows.
Frank Spencer.
Yeah, the car. You got Taylor. Wait, first. You know that.
Frank Spencer with.
I tell you what it is. The plastic on the carpets, cheap carpets, just melted.
I know. No, that's what it is.
Come on. Just tell me good a bit of crap.
I don't carpet. You know where to go there.
Brilliant.
Or near the road.
Just come complain about it. Say it was here when we got here.
Yeah.
Say, hey, I want money back, man.
Hey, man.
Oh, my money back. Up there, isn't it?
If you just cut.
Flipping.
Fuck off.
If you razor blade it, would it
I'm an sharp person.
Somebody has black spunk.
Black spot.
Come on, big nigger.
Who's the black sheep in the family?
Yeah, man. Some niggers.
Some nigger.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought. Well, it's not there. Can't be seen. Well, that's true. Like a baldy. We learned out the hard way.
I accept
It
Phillip.
will be alright, honest. All you do is
You've
cover.
covered it now.
It's just a wee bit black. If we can sort of scrub it. Oh, stay. Here, I've got a Swiss Army knife. Here, I've got the just.
I have a couple of other
The car off. I think the power's off, man.
Oh, who's boiling water?
Here.
Watch this here, watch this.
Here.
How do you turn this on? It's not working.
Look at it.
Worse.
Fucking ripping the arse out of it. Worse, you.
Come here, man.
Get the macro on, man. Get the macro. He's cutting the car. I heard you just looked at us on you and just went. Laser beam hole in the car. Hi, Cloric! I heard your dog.
Beady eyes.
So record. Look at that. Immaculate.
Immaculate. You wouldn't.
Better than what it was. Stone better than you. Ow.
I think Phil deserves a round of applause.
Hi.
Right on the top.
What?
Right on the top.
My nanny would suggest you pour the water on it. Seriously, you pour salt on it, it'll dry up. Oh, you dry.
Oh, don't be so fucking stupid.
Look, it's being totally and utterly flipping. What a cave havoc.
Give that, Mike.
That is safe, boys.
Pathetic.
Phil.
Where's my lighter?
Put it in bed.
That's nothing, that way.
No.
There is more
Like a necklace or
to
something?
Kevin, come on in to get a close up on necklaces.
Hey. We're looking good. You wouldn't notice it.
Hi, I'm Kevin
Well,
Thorne
we're
with
drunk.
TV
Might
News.
notice it tomorrow.
Midnight Oil kicked off a North American tour at an unusual Canadian
No,
venue
you wouldn't
last
notice
week.
that except for the
band
big
once
black
performed
patch.
outside Exxon's New York City offices.
Just round about.
Apart from the big black matter, stand.
British Columbia. The band
What about the Hoover now?
environmental activists.
No, it's next on the list.
Clear cutting of one of the world's largest rainforests. The old growth region is home to ancient trees and diverse wildlife, all of which, according to Greenpeace, are endangered by the
Seriously, what? Let's get a couple of bangers going.
board member Peter Garrett. Elsewhere in the Pacific Northwest, the growing controversy over independent record retailers that sell used content is now embroiled country star Music Millennium, a record store in Portland, Oregon, recently got about 100 people to travel and barbecue their garbage CDs. Because Brooks had said in late June that he would not let his next album be sold in stores that carry used CDs. Some labels have started punishing stores that carry used CDs by refusing to give the stores advertising support and refusing to let them return defective merchandise. Labels and artists like Brooks and Paul Anka say that sales of used CDs deprive them of income. Here's what the Music Millennium spokesman had to say.
First time out, just
all in the onion.
What time is it?
It's 25 past 3. In the morning.
Point out the other stage. Jason did.